Guess what? We play it louder, louder, bigger, better, prouder. Ramp up the volume.
Pixel 4 introduces entirely new, helpful experiences with more natural interactions. Pixel 4 includes camera features and sensors that you're not going to find on any other phone. Is the first smartphone with a radar sensor. Has the fastest secure face unlock on a smartphone. Motion Sense prepares the camera when you reach for your Pixel 4, so you don't need to tap the screen.
It's a magical sensor.
I did it! I touched without touching.
As you reach, we can lower the volume. The phone is more polite, and then you can just do a gesture to shut it off.
A key way we're making the assistant this fast is with an on-device version of our language models that run in our data center. You also have new ways to manage your data. Choose a time limit for how long you want your activity data to be saved in your Google account. Or just tell the assistant to delete everything you said to it today or this week, and it will. So we created a new kind of audio recorder that taps into our speech recognition and AI. And now I can go into the search bar and find whatever I'm looking for. And you'll notice this phone is actually in airplane mode. All this recorder functionality happened on device. Pixel 4 is also our first smartphone with a 90 Hz refresh rate. You can see the rear wide and telephoto cameras, a hyperspectral sensor, a mic for your videos and Instagram stories, and a flash that we hope you'll use mostly as a flashlight.
What's important to taking a great picture is, in order, subject, lighting, lens, and the camera body. Here's a slightly different take on this list. Subject, lighting, lens, software. By software, I mean computational photography. By the way, on the left is our raw output if you enable that in the app. So Pixel 4 has a roughly 2x telephoto lens plus our super res zoom technology. In other words, a hybrid of optical and digital zoom, which we use on both the main and telephoto lenses, so you get sharp imagery throughout the zoom range. Super res zoom is real multi-frame super resolution, meaning that pinch zooming before you take the shot gives you a sharper photo than cropping afterwards. So what new computational photography features are we launching with Pixel 4? 4 of them. First, Live HDR+. We're using machine learning to approximate HDR+ in the viewfinder, so you get our signature look while you compose your shot. Second, white balancing in photography. And here's what it looks like with Pixel 4's white balancing. Third, we've continued to improve portrait mode. Fourth, we have continued to improve night sight. You could have taken this dusk shot using Pixel 3 last year. Using Pixel 4, you can take this nighttime picture from the same viewpoint. 4 new computational photography features. Live HDR+ with dual exposure controls, learning-based white balancing, wider range portrait mode with an SLR bokeh, and night sight with astrophotography.
We also want to make sure you get the best experience out of the box. So Pixel 4 comes with 3 months of Google One for new eligible members. Pro sessions for one-on-one virtual help. So if you have a question about your settings or want a few tips for the camera, we're there for you. The new Pixel comes in 3 colors: just black, clearly white, and a limited edition called Oh So Orange. It also comes in 2 sizes, both with the same features and both available for pre-order starting today. So Pixel 4 is now available through every major US carrier. Shipping starts on October 24th.
So go out there and be creative with Pixel 4.